This year at Formnext, Formlabs is presenting its latest 3D printing innovations with our SLS and SLA platforms. The Fuse 1 Plus has a more powerful 30-watt laser along with a faster scanning system, which allows it to print almost twice as fast as the Fuse 1. On top of that, it has an active powder management system, which allows it to print more demanding materials but with better mechanical properties. Finally, the nitrogen purge allows it to have a better refresh rate and allows effectively for wasteless printing. The Form 3 Plus, which was released earlier this year, is a new version of our SLA platform and an improvement over the previous Form 3. With software and hardware improvements, we were able to increase the speed up to 40% on certain materials, but also improve the surface finish as well as the ease of post-processing thanks to optimized light touch supports. Finally, we have the Form 3L, which brings the same technology seen on the Form 3 Plus, but with 5 times the build volume. With the Form 3L, large format SLA 3D printing now becomes more accessible and easier to use.